you speak Tagalog? Do you speak the Tagalog?
Di, marunong ako Tagalog.
Di, marunong ako Tagalog.
Meron ba may Gcash dyan?
Meron ba may Gcash dyan?
Okay na.
Okay na, na-screenshot mo na?
Yes. Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog.
Give me 1 second, I just take a phone call.
Take a phone call.
Okay, okay.
Ay, ma.
Ay, ma.
Tuloy pa yung celebration mamaya?
Tuloy pa yung celebration mamaya?
Oo. Oo, magluluto daw si Junjun ng palago.
Magluluto daw si Junjun ng palago.
Philippines. How y'all doing? What's that?
Hi.
What's that?
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
What's your name? What's
Me?
your name? Yeah. Sino ba kausap
I
namin?
can't see y'all. Can you do this to your camera?
Your camera?
Reto kita sa tito ko. You have girlfriend? You have a girlfriend? No, yan. Okay. Okay.
There you go.
There you go.
What are y'all doing here?
You have girlfriend? You have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Oh,
Why are you asking?
Wait. Ano ba?
Why are y'all
Ako
asking?
na lang. Ito. You want me, auntie? You want me, auntie?
You don't
You
have a
want my
boyfriend?
auntie?
You don't have a boyfriend?
No! No! Ang auntie. Nando?
You don't have a boyfriend?
You don't have a boyfriend?
No. I don't have. We don't have.
No,
We don't
No,
have.
the lady in the
no,
black.
the lady in the black.
Ano to?
Yeah, you don't have.
She's
You
not
don't have.
boy.
You don't
She's
have a
tomboy. She's She's girl.
What are y'all doing here?
Girl. She's pretending a boy. Yeah.
What are y'all doing here?
What are y'all doing here?
What? No. I have
What are y'all doing here?
Nosebleed na ako. Nosebleed pa rin. Nosebleed. I have auntie. Do you want?
Where's your auntie?
Do you want? Do you want? She's pretty.
Where is
Yes.
she? Where is she?
Where is she? Where is she?
Andun pa eh.
What's
What's Jumpa?
Jumpa?
Hindi ka ba marunong Tagalog? Hindi siya marunong.
Just hit her.
Papakita ko to. Do you speak Tagalog? Do you speak the Tagalog?
Yeah, marunong ako Tagalog.
Yeah, marunong ako Tagalog.
Pinahihirapan na kami, kuya! Ano ka ba? Nakakapalas yun, ha? Kuya, naboka mo kami. Huwag mo na patuloy na. Dahil dyan hindi kita irereto sa tita ko.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon.
Eme! Sa'yo pa ka nag-i-stream, eh. Tapos nag-mura ako. Tagadan.
Ano sabi niyo sa kanina? Na nose blood daw?
Kanina, na nose blood daw.
Nosebleed! Nosebleed! Mayana eh! Asan yung chuk? Ano na itim? What? Tomboy! Tomboy! Uwi mo siyang US, magpapakababae siya. Dami pa babae niya, tol. Aray ko!
Yung ganyan.
Tol, gusto ko mas gaganda pa sa jeep ka.
Wow.
Wow.
Guwapo!
Meron ba may Gcash dyan?
Meron ba may Gcash dyan?
Totoo, kuya.
Okay.
Magkano?
Kaya ako papadala.
Sa akin.
Panda Jollibee niya talaga?
Panda Jollibee niya talaga?
Yeah! Wait.
Pero, teka lang. Pagka nagpadala ako, ang
Follow ka namin.
request ko lang,
magpadala kayo ng video.
magpadala kayo ng video.
Para isama ko sa, sasama ko sa upload ko.
Sasama ko sa upload ko.
Yes!
Okay, okay.
Wait lang, nahihirapan na ako. 2,000!
2,000? Dami naman.
5,000! Ang kapal
ba?
ng mga mukha na ito.
Magkano ba
Ayun
Chicken
na.
Joy?
Ano ba Chicken Joy?
1K! Sandaan po. 100.
Sandaan? Okay, teka lang.
Kumakatok kami sa
Kala
puso
nyo-
niyo, kuya.
kala nyo-
Jollibee lang. Pakatok.
Wala niyo,
Namamalimos
sige,
pag
sorry,
Jollibee lang.
Seryosohin ha?
Wala na may
Ito,
tayo.
send na.
Okay na.
Ito, send na.
Okay na to.
Send na.
Ayan.
Nasend?
Pwede na ba yung 2,600?
Pwede na ba yung 2.6?
2,600! Hello po.
Hey, what's going on?
Where are you from?
US. Hey, how you doing?
Wow. Hey
How
daw
y'all
po.
What
are
you
you?
doing? Why are you shaking your shoulders like that, bro?
How are you?
I'm doing good. What are y'all doing here?
Nothing.
Just passing time.
What time is it there? You're in the Philippines, right?
Yes. 9:21 p.m.
Oh, PM. What's
Okay.
funny? Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I'm just happy.
You're happy? What are you happy about?
Pa.
What are you happy about? Are you happy you met me?
Yeah. You're so cute.
Ginawa mo ko na.
Thank you.
Why are you laughing?
Thank you. I would say you're cute too, but I can't really see you. Move your camera so I can see you. I can't see you though. You got to move the camera.
Ang ingay ko tuloy kasi.
Dito na lang.
Anyone, I can see all of y'all. It's fine. Which part of the Philippines are you from?
Manila.
What are you doing back there, bro?
Wala na daw ginagawa mo dyan.
I'm playing beautiful.
You're playing beautiful.
Yes.
Spell beautiful for me.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's wrong. You made a mistake. You made one mistake.
What?
It's spelled Y-O-U.
Okay.
I'm actually on YouTube. I'm doing content right now.
Uy. Nice meeting you too.
Anong
I'm
channel mo?
I'm gonna type it out right here. It's Famo.
Screenshot mo yan.
Okay na.
Okay na screenshot mo na?
Yes. Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog. Pinahirapan mo ba ako? Hirap na hirap ako mag-Tagalog. Hirap na hirap ako mag-English. Marunong pala mag-Tagalog.
Bro, I know you, bro.
Hey!
Bro, I know you.
Hey,
You're no, Jalen Green. Jalen Green.
Jalen Green.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, you know I got the country on my back.
Yeah.
I take very much pride into that.
You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
appreciate you, bro. Give me a handshake. Let's go, bro.
Yeah.
What are you drinking right now?
Pineapple.
Oh,
juice.
pineapple?
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so good in the Philippines. So
Oh, you're in the
refreshing.
Philippines?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm in the U.S.
Oh, that's my dream country.
It's a dream country?
Yes. Yeah. Because people in the US are so nice.
Oh, thank you, man. My dream country is the Philippines.
Oh man, thank you. We appreciate you very much.
Who's talking? I can't see you. Who's talking? There you go. Show yourself to the camera, bro. There you go. What's going on? Which part of the Philippines?
Batangas.
Batangas. Luzon.
Batangas? It's close to Manila?
Taal. Quezon.
Oh, Taal, the volcano, right?
Yeah. We're
Volcano.
close to that. Yeah.
Yes.
I need to go to the
We're
Philippines.
very close.
Yeah, bro, you
We can show
you
you.
should try.
Ay.
People in the Philippines are kind of
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, will
Food here.
show me around.
Show me around.
Manila. Yung mga night market.
Yeah, bro, we can show you around.
You can show me around.
You can show me around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Manila,
Don't go
because
to Maynila.
people in there are so rude.
Rude.
Yeah, rude.
Yeah.
Where?
Manila.
Oh,
Manila.
Manila.
Oh, Manila.
People in there are so
Tondo.
rude.
It's
Don't go
it's
in Tondo.
dangerous.
It's dangerous.
It's not that dangerous.
They're just rude.
They're just rude.
Oh,
But
sorry.
here in the
I gotta
Batangas,
I gotta
give me 1 second. I just take a
give me 1
phone
second.
call.
Just take a phone call.
Okay.
Ay, ma.
Ay, ma.
Tuloy pa yung celebration mamaya.
Tuloy pa yung celebration mamaya.
Oo.
Oo.
Anong oras? Oh, magluluto daw si Junjun ng palago.
Magluluto na Junjun ng palago.
Ah, sige na.
Ay!
Sige, tayo tayo mamaya. Okay.
Dahil na tayo
Sige
mamaya.
na ba?
Sige na.
Okay, bye.
Boss, anong oras na dyan, boss?
Bro,
What?
you're speaking Tagalog.
What?
What?
You speak Tagalog.
Tagalog?
Tama kayo. Ako na mali.
No, I don't speak
I
Tagalog.
hear you.
Anong oras na dyan,
Sabi mo,
boss?
anong oras na dyan?
What does
Anong
that
oras
mean?
na dyan, te?
What does that mean?
I mean, what time is it?
Oh, it's 9:30 in the morning.
It's 9:30 in the morning.
Morning.
9:30 p.m.
9:30 p.m. here.
Oh, wow, it's late.
Oh, wow, it's late.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, can y'all teach me some Tagalog?
Can y'all teach me some Tagalog?
Yeah. If you say,
Oh, yung mga ano.
mahal kita, it means I love you.
Mahal kita.
Yes. Mahal kita.
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko kayo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
it
means
means you love us.
oh,
You love
Or
us.
we love
Oh,
you.
hold on.
Oh, hold on.
Hello?
Yun na naman siya.
May kausap nga ako sa ano.
May kausap na ako sa ano. May kausap ako eh.
May kausap lang. May
Mga
record.
5 minutes. May kausap
Mga
ako.
5 minutes. May kausap ako.
Sige na. Bye.
Sige na. Bye.
What was that? What you say?
Hey, you
What's
said,
that? What
mga
you say?
5 minutes. Mga 5 minutes. May kausap ako.
I didn't say that.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you say it. I have a record. Ano?
You have a record? Show me.
We're just kidding.
Show me the record. That's why I'm
You
on the
say-
TV. I'm
That's
trying to learn
why I'm
Tagalog.
on TV. I'm trying to learn Tagalog.
If you say, tang mo, it means you.
Tamo, nakaintindi. Sabi na eh, pagka yun sinabi, makakaintindi talaga.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Sabi na eh.
Cut you lang, bro.
Okay ba yun?
Oo.
Pwede na. Galing ko, napa-English ako, magdudugo ilong ko.
Nagka-content ako YouTuber ako.
Nagka-content ako YouTuber ako.
Name.
YouTube.
Drop, whitey.
Drop.
Whitey.
Drop ng whitey.
Yeah. Yan yung ano ko.
Yeah.
YouTube.
Yung ano ko.
Bilisan mo.
YouTube.
Hala, ikaw to. Gagi.
Oh, yan.
Okay.
I-upload ko kaya.
I-upload ko na yan.
Subscribe, bro. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Oh, thank you.
Subscribe. Oh, thank you.
Ginang pa.
Yeah, ingat kayo dyan ha.
Yeah, ingat kayo dyan ha.
Kuya,
Thank you, bro.
magwawala ko
Thank
dito.
you, kuya. Thank you.
Thank you pa.
Where are you from? In the volcano?
Where are you from? In the volcano?
Batangas.
Sa Batangas. Taga-vulkan. Sabi mo loob ng vulkan. Malapit sa Taal. Taal Volcano.
Taal Church.
Joke lang, nakapunta na ako dyan.
Joke lang, nakapunta na ako dyan.
Oh, si Kuya, Diyos ko naman.
Sige, ingat kayo ha. God bless.
Sige, ingat kayo ha. God bless.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Bye. Nice meeting you.